Healthy morning, students. Today we are going to start exercise 3.2. It is also related with the graph only. Question first. Read the question. Here it is. 10 students of class 10 took part in mathematics quiz. The number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys. Find the number of boys and number of girls. We want number of boys and number of girls. So we'll suppose x and y. We'll suppose number of x, number of boys x and number of girls y. Read. First sentence will give us first equation. Here it is, the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys. See, generally when you make equation so it will do, if the number of girls, it is represented by y. Say number of girls, that means y is equals to 4 more than, that means dash plus 4. We know very well meaning of more than, dash plus. Number of boys is x. So here the first equation is formed. Now second equation will form. Actually first sentence is 10 students of class 10 take part. Ten students of class 10 took part in quiz competition. So total 10 students are there. That means boys plus girls, है ना? So x plus y equals to 10. And the second equation is number of girls is 4 more than number of boys. So here we have suppose number of girls y is equals to 4 more than dash plus 4 more than number of boys that are x. So here it is second equation. Okay. So two equations we are having. Let us solve it graphically. But first we will find out coordinates. The first equation x plus y equals to 10. Any one equation we can make subject, but before that we will find out solution by elimination method. X plus y equals to 10. To apply elimination method, I must have to shift y towards left hand side. Shift 4. So minus 4 will be x plus y. Minus 4 equals to x plus y. When y shift it will be subtracted, and when 4 shift it will be, when y shift over here its sign will get changed, so it will become minus y. When 4 shift it will become minus 4. So x minus y minus 4. So 1x plus 1x 2x, 10 minus 4 6. So x will be 6 divided by 2, that means 3. So we are having value of x. Now we'll find out value of y from first equation. X plus y 10. So 3 plus y 10. So y will be 10 minus 3 equals to 7. So here we are having x 3 and y 7. While finding out coordinate, this coordinate will must take. लेने ही हमें, ठीक है? Let us find out coordinates. X plus y equals to 10. Let us make x subject. ठीक है? x subject बना सकते हैं, y को भी subject बना सकते हैं, जिसको बनाना उसको बना सकते हैं subject. कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. ठीक है? किसको बनाना है subject? चलो यहां y को सेकंड इक्वेशन में बनाया हो तो इसको y को बना देते हैं, शिफ्ट x, तो y विल बी 10 माइनस एक्स, द डिफरेंट वैल्यू ऑफ x वी गोइंग टू टेक, लेकिन हाँ 3 तो लेनी ही है, 3 तो भी कौन कौन सी लेते हैं, 1 2 3 ले लेते हैं ना, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, आप कुछ भी ले सकते हो, लेकिन 3 होना ही चाहिए उसके अंदर x की वैल्यू। लेट x इक्वल्स टू 1, so y will be 10 minus, instead of x1 y will be 9. If I take x equals to 2, x equals to 2, then y will be 10 minus x2, y will be 8. If I take x equals to 3, then according to y equals to 10 minus value of x is 3, y will be 7. Let us make a box. xy, x1 y9, x2 y8, x3 y7. Okay, now second equation. Now we'll find out coordinate. Here it is y equal to x plus 4. So right hand side we have x, so we'll substitute value of x. Let us take x equal to 1. यहाँ पर भी x equal to 3 लेना ही है, फिर आप 3 4 5 लो, 1 2 3 लो, लेकिन 3 आना चाहिए, बाकी उसके अलावा कुछ भी वैल्यू ले सकते हैं. So let us take 1 2 3. तो y will be instead of x 1 plus 4, y will be 5. Now if I take x equals to 2, then y will be in this equation, instead of x 2 plus 4, y will be 6. If I take x equals to 3, then in this equation, instead of x 3 plus 4, 7. So we'll form the table x y, x1 y5, x2 y6, x3 y7. Okay, so here we have found out the coordinates. Let us draw the graph. Go through this coordinate first. So for the x plus y equals to 10, the table is x, y, 1, 2, 3, 9, 8, 7. 1, 2, 3, 9, 8, 7. And for this, the graph is y equals to x plus 4. X, y. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay? See, it is very easy to draw the graph. See, x is maximum 3 and y maximum 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 1, minus 1. X, x dash, y, y dash. See, when x is 1, y 9. X is 1, y is 9. Here. When x 2, y 8. X axis 2. This is y axis. We are having 8. X 3, y 7. X axis 3, y axis 7. So this is a line of x plus y equals to 10. Now we'll draw this line x1 y5, x1 y5 here, x2 y6, x-axis 2, y-axis 6. Okay, and x3 y7, x3 and y7, this point. So we'll join these all 3 points. Let me join. Look, so this line represent y equal to x plus 4, y equals to x plus 4. Okay, so on the as a x we have taken number of boys, on the y axis we have taken number of girls. Okay, so at last answer we are going to write so this, see, wherever two line intersect, that is our answer. So here on the intersection point 3, x3 and y7, that means on the graph we'll write the answer. So here number of boys is equal to x coordinate 3, and number of girls y equals to y coordinate 7. So number of boys are 3 and number of girls are 7. It is our answer. Okay, go through it. Clear? Let us draw next graph. Here it is. Question number first only going on. Number second. Read. 5 pencil and 7 pens together cost rupees 50, whereas 7 pencil and 5 pen together cost rupees 46. Find the cost of pencil and pen. Here you want cost of pencil and pen. So we'll suppose let the cost of one pencil is equal to rupees x and cost of one pen equal to rupees y. First sentence will give us first equation. 5 pencil and 7 pens cost together 50 rupees. 5 pencil and 7 pen cost together rupees 50. Okay, so cost of 5 pencil, cost of 5 pencil, cost of 1 pencil x, or cost of 5 pencil 5x. Now how many pens? 7 pens are there. Cost of 7 pen, cost of 1 pen rupees y, so 7 pen 7y. Okay, and total cost is rupees 50. Total, that means sum 5x plus 7y equals to 50. Okay, the first equation form. Second is 7 pencil and 5 pen cost together rupees 46. 7 pencil and 5 pens cost together rupees 46. तो cost of one pencil is x, so 7 pencil will be cost of 7 pencil will be 7x. Cost of one pen y, so cost of 5 pen rupees 5y, and the total cost is 46. So here we'll have 7x plus 5y equals to 46. Now we'll find out coordinates. First equation is 5x plus 7y equal to 50. See here x and y both variable है, coefficient तो anyone we can make subject. x को बनाते हैं, shift 7y, so 5x equal to 50 minus 7y, shift this 5 also, x will be 50 minus 7y upon 5. See cannot reduce 5 times the 50 और नहीं कर सकते. अब देखो आपको क्या करना है, लेकिन हाँ एक चीज तो हम भूल ही गए. क्या भूल गए? एलिमिनेशन मेथड से उसको सॉल्व करने का, कि जो वैल्यू हमें लेनी ही है. ठीक है, so two equations are 5x plus 7y 50 और 7x plus 5y 46. देखो मैं डायरेक्ट साइन चेंज कर दूंगा तो कोई वेरिएबल कैंसिल नहीं होगा, एक वेरिएबल कैंसिल होना चाहिए ना, जिसके लिए या तो x के कोएफिशिएंट सेम होने चाहिए तो y के होने चाहिए. यहां पर नहीं है. तो देखो जब भी x के कोएफिशिएंट सेम ना हो तो सेम बनाने के लिए अपने को क्या करने का, कि जो ये इक्वेशन में x का कोएफिशिएंट है ना उसको फर्स्ट से मल्टीप्लाई कर डालो ऊपर वाले से, और ये इक्वेशन में जो x का कोएफिशिएंट है उसको सेकंड से मल्टीप्लाई करो. ठीक है, ये मल्टीप्लाई करो. देखो आप 7 5 35x plus 7 7 49y 57 350. Okay, now multiply with 5. 5 7 35x plus 25y equal to 130 230. Okay, change the sign. Cancel plus minus, minus 49 minus 50 24y. Subtract this 0 2 1 120. Okay, shift this 24 down. Y equals to 120 divided by 24. 24 5s are 120. Okay, but now we want x also. तो x में फाइंड करने के लिए क्या करेंगे, substitute this value of phi in any one equation, like 1 5x plus 7y 50. तो 5x plus 7 instead of y 5 50, so 5x plus 35 equals to 50. So 5x 50 minus 35 15, x will be 3. So here we are having both value of y and x, यानी ये x3 और y5 तो हमें लेना ही है, ये लेना ही है. चलो let us find out coordinates. So first equation here we have 5x plus 7y equal to 50. We'll make x subject, so shift 7y. So 5x will be 50 minus 7y. So x will be 50 minus 7y divided by 5. है ना? First value of y तो we going to take 5, वो तो लेना ही है. तो वही से स्टार्ट करो. y equal 5 से स्टार्ट करते हैं. Let y equals to 5. ठीक है? Substitute x 50 minus 7 instead of y 5 divided by 5, 50 minus 35 by 5, 50 minus 35, 15 divided by 5, we'll have x equals to 3. Obviously वो 3 ही मिलना था, क्योंकि यहाँ पर ऑलरेडी हम सॉल्व कर चुके हैं. अब देखो, अब आपको याद रखना है, such kind of fraction we are having, whenever we have such kind of fraction, decide next value by adding numerator. Here, sorry, denominator. Here denominator is 5. So what first value of y we have considered? 5. So next value of y will be this 5 plus denominator 5. That means 10. So here we'll have x equal to 50 minus 7 instead of y, 10 divided by 5. 50 minus 70 divided by 5. So x will be 50 minus 70 minus 20 divided by 5. X will be minus 4. X will be minus 4. Okay. Now next value. Now 10 plus denominator, 10 plus 5, 15. Okay. So x equals to 50 minus 7 instead of y, 15 by 5. तो 50 माइनस, नहीं तो एक काम करते हैं, इतनी बड़ी वैल्यू नहीं लेनी है, तो हमने जैसे प्लस किया ना, देखो ये वैल्यू में जैसे 5 प्लस किया वैसे 5 माइनस करके भी ला सकते हैं हमने। तो 5 माइनस करो, ये 5 में से 5 माइनस करो तो 0, तो 0 भी आप ले सकते हो। तो x इक्वल टू 50 माइनस 7 इंस्टेड ऑफ y, 0 डिवाइड बाय 5, 7 माइनस 7 0 जा 0, तो 50 डिवाइड बाय 5, it will be 10. So here we have all the values of x and y. X is 3, y 5. X minus 4, y 10. X 10, y 0. You might be thinking, sir, can we take y equal to 1, 2, 3? Let us take it out. See, if I take y equal to 1, y equal to 1, so 7y is a 7, 7 instead of y 1, 7 7 1 is 7, 50 minus 7, 43 divided by 5. Can you divide 43 by 5? No doubt you can get decimal fraction, but it become difficult to plot this point on the graph. So you have to take value of y in such a way that you take or you get integer instead of fraction. So it is simple. Its simple method is there. Whatever first value you are getting over here, like 5 we have over here. So in this first value, add and subtract denominator. ये डिनोमिनेटर हमारा 5 है, तो 5 के अंदर डिनोमिनेटर पहले प्लस किया तो 10, ये मैं वैल्यू लूंगा तो मुझे इंटीजर ही मिलेगा। इवन सब्ट्रैक्ट करो डिनोमिनेटर तो भी मुझे इंटीजर ही मिलेगा। अब इसके बाद और भी अगर सब मुझे वैल्यू लेनी है तो 10 में 5 ऐड करो 15, उसमें भी आपको इंटीजर मिलेगा। और आगे लेनी है तो और 5 ऐड करो 20, उसमें भी आपको क्या मिलेगा, इंटीजर। ठीक, ये मेथड है। नाउ वी सॉल्व दिस सेकंड इक्वेशन, 5x plus 7x plus 5y equal to 46, but for that we don't have space. Go through this. Let me rub it out. So here for the first equation we have coordinate 5x plus 7y equals to 50. The coordinates are x, y, 3, minus 4, 10, 5 and 0. Now we solve second equation. We'll find out coordinate of the second equation. It was 7x plus 5y equal to 46. No, it was 5x plus 7y. Yeah, that was the first one. 7x plus 5y 7x plus 5y equal to 46. Shift this 5y. So 7x will be 46 minus 5y. X will be 46 minus 5y divided by 7. Now just we have find it out first value of y. तो value of y first will take 5. वो तो लेना ही है हमें, लेना ही है. So take value of y 5. X equal to 46 minus 5 instead of y 5 upon 7. So 46 minus 25 divided by 7. Okay. 46 minus 25. 21 divided by 7. So x you will get 3. So let us take next value of y. But now as I told you, add denominator, subtract denominator. That's it. So y is 5. So what is our denominator in this question? 7. So add denominator. That means 7. So it will be 12. Take value of y 12. We'll have 46 minus 5 instead of y 12 divided by 7. So 46 minus 60 divided by 7. So here we'll have 46 minus 60. So minus 14 divided by 7. Greater number sign na. We'll have x equals to minus 2. Okay. Now take next value of y. अब अभी हमने डिनोमिनेटर ऐड किया, अब सब्ट्रैक्ट करो. So take y equal to 5 minus 7. So it will be minus 2. सब्ट्रैक्ट करो, minus 2 आ गया. So 46 minus 5 instead of y we'll write minus 2 divided by 7. So 46 minus minus plus. So 46 plus 10, 56 divided by 7. So we'll get value of x 8. So now here we have value table x and y. For x equal to 3, y is 5. For x equal to minus 2, y 12. For x equal to 8, y minus 2. Now let us draw the graph. See, the maximum value of x is 10, positive side, and negative side minus 4. Okay. And positive value of y, maximum 12 and negative minus 2. So we'll take gap of or scale of 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. See. Origin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. X dash. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Here y minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So here y dash. Let us draw first graph, this one. x3, y5. So on this x-axis we have 3, on the y-axis we have 5. Okay. X minus 4, y 10. On the x-axis minus 4, y-axis 10. Here. Okay. Now x10 y0. See, whenever you are having value 0, and forget about it. जो कोऑर्डिनेट दिया है वो रिप्रेजेंट कर डालो. x10 दिया है, this is x axis, here it is 10. Okay, now we join all these three to draw a straight line. Just a minute, let me draw it properly. Here it is. Don't worry, I will send a proper pic of these all the graphs on the graph paper. Here, x3 y5, x3 y5. Here, x minus 2 y12, x minus 2 and y12. Here, x8 and y minus 2, x8, x axis 8, y axis minus 2, where we have minus 2 over here. So let us join these all 3 points. Just a minute, let me do it properly. This is the first line. Second is x3 y5 and x8 y minus 2. Here both line intersect. So this is the first line, which is 5x plus 7y 50, and this is the second line, which is 3x 7x plus 5y 46. So both intersect over here on this point. The x is 3 and the y is 5. So what we have, suppose x, the cost of pencil. The cost of pencil is rupees x equals to 3 and the cost of pen y equals to rupees 5. Okay, here the sum is over. Say wherever two lines intersect, that will be our answer. Okay, go through it. Let us end this lecture. Bye. Have a safe day.